Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning shores of Aruba, where we'll be exploring the luxurious oasis known as the Ritz Carlton Aruba. Nestled along the pristine Palm Beach, this five-star resort promises an unforgettable Caribbean getaway. So grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes this tropical paradise truly special. Let's start by talking about the accommodations that await you at the Ritz Carlton Aruba. Picture yourself stepping into a spacious room with breathtaking views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea or lush tropical gardens. The resort boasts 320 rooms, including deluxe rooms and suites, each designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and elegance. The standard deluxe rooms, spanning approximately 550 square feet, are anything but standard. These havens of relaxation feature private balconies or terraces, perfect for sipping your morning coffee while watching the sun rise over the ocean. Inside, you'll find luxurious bedding that feels like sleeping on a cloud, high-speed Wi-Fi to keep you connected if you must, and flat-screen TVs for those rare moments when you're not mesmerized by the natural beauty outside your window. The marble bathrooms are a sight to behold, complete with soaking tubs and shower combos that'll make you want to sing in the shower. Just try not to disturb your neighbors. For those looking to splurge, the signature suites take luxury to new heights, literally. Perched atop prime locations within the hotel, these suites offer sweeping views of the coastline that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. These private sanctuaries blend tropical serenity with sophisticated interiors, featuring curated finishes that reflect the island's vibrant culture. While the exact sizes of these suites aren't publicly disclosed, you can bet they're spacious enough to make you feel like Aruban royalty. And let's not forget the amenities. From premium bath products to separate living and dining areas, these suites are designed to cater to your every whim. Just be prepared for a slight case of sticker shock. Room rates can range from $582 to $1,209 per night, depending on the season. But hey, can you really put a price on paradise? Now, let's talk about something that's close to every traveler's heart: food. The Ritz Carlton Aruba doesn't disappoint when it comes to culinary delights. With 6 unique dining venues, your taste buds are in for a treat. While the specific restaurant names weren't readily available, we can tell you that the options range from casual beachfront fare to fine dining experiences that'll make you want to pack your fancy pants. The hotel's culinary philosophy emphasizes local flavors alongside international cuisine, so you can expect a delightful fusion of Aruban specialties and global dishes. Imagine savoring freshly caught seafood while watching the sun dip below the horizon, or indulging in a romantic candlelit dinner under the stars. And let's not forget about the bars. They're serving up cocktails that'll make you forget all about your worries back home. Sip on signature drinks inspired by Caribbean ingredients as you toast to your fabulous vacation. Just remember, if you're planning to dine at one of the fancier establishments, you might want to leave your flip-flops in the room. Smart casual is usually the way to go. After all that eating and drinking, you might be wondering about the best spots to work on your tan or take a refreshing dip. Well, the Ritz Carlton Aruba has got you covered, or should we say uncovered? The resort features 2 swimming pools that are sure to make a splash. While the exact details of these aquatic paradises weren't specified, we can imagine they include a main pool perfect for family fun and possibly an adults-only section for those seeking a more serene experience. Picture yourself lounging on a comfortable chaise, sipping a tropical cocktail delivered by attentive pool staff, as you debate whether to take another dip or simply bask in the warm Aruban sun. And if you prefer sand between your toes, you're in luck. The hotel is located directly on Palm Beach, known for its powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. This stretch of paradise is ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply strolling along the shoreline. For the more adventurous souls, water sports like paddleboarding and kayaking are available nearby, either through third-party vendors or hotel-arranged excursions. Just imagine gliding across the calm Caribbean waters, spotting colorful fish beneath the surface, or catching a wave if you're feeling particularly daring. With Palm Beach stretching for about 2 miles, you'll have plenty of space to find your perfect spot in the sun. For those days when you're feeling a bit more active, The Ritz Carlton Aruba offers a plethora of activities to keep you entertained. The state-of-the-art fitness center is equipped with all the latest gear to help you maintain your workout routine or start a new one. We won't judge. If you're feeling a bit lost among all those machines, personal training options are available to guide you through a tailored workout. Tennis enthusiasts can practice their serve on the hotel's courts, while yoga lovers can find their zen with classes that might just have you mastering that headstand you've been struggling with. And let's not forget about the cultural and educational activities that are often on offer at Ritz Carlton properties. While specific details weren't provided, we can imagine experiences that might include local art workshops, cooking classes featuring Aruban cuisine, or even stargazing sessions under the clear Caribbean sky. The concierge team is always on hand to help you discover new ways to immerse yourself in the local culture and create memories that'll last long after your tan fades. Now let's talk about pampering, because what's a luxury vacation without some serious relaxation? The spa at the Ritz Carlton Aruba is a sanctuary of tranquility featuring 13 treatment rooms. Here, you can indulge in a variety of therapies that blend local traditions with global wellness trends. Imagine melting away stress with a massage that incorporates aromatic oils infused with tropical ingredients, or rejuvenating your skin with a treatment inspired by ancient Aruban healing practices. While the exact facilities weren't detailed, it's safe to assume that this spa includes all the luxurious amenities you'd expect from a Ritz-Carlton property. Think saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation lounges where you can continue your journey to blissful relaxation. Whether you're looking for a quick pick-me-up facial or a full day of indulgence, the spa team is ready to customize your experience. Just be sure to book your treatments in advance, especially during peak seasons, to ensure you don't miss out on this slice of paradise. For families traveling with little ones, the Ritz Carlton Aruba has plenty to keep the kiddos entertained. While specific details about kids' clubs and activities weren't provided, it's typical for luxury resorts of this caliber to offer supervised programs that cater to different age groups. Imagine your children embarking on treasure hunts along the beach, learning about local marine life through interactive activities, or unleashing their creativity with arts and crafts inspired by Aruban culture. For teens, there might be cool hangout spots where they can meet new friends, play video games, or participate in age-appropriate adventures. Family-friendly amenities often include things like child-sized robes and slippers, special welcome amenities for young guests, and even bedtime story services for the little ones. While the adults enjoy a romantic dinner, the kids could be having the time of their lives at a supervised movie night or pajama party. Just remember, it's always a good idea to check with the hotel directly about the specific offerings available during your stay, as kids' programs can vary seasonally. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.